The MyEffects database is stored in the cloud. We also make snapshots from time to time, and I show you in this section how you can make a backup to restore the database and have a real good stand.
To say it with the words of a Huey Lewis song, sometimes bad is bad. So it could happen by accident that you change the wrong effects or even delete them and then write them back to the cloud. But don't worry if this happened to you. Finale has a backup of your MyEffects database. Here is how it works. Every time you sync your effects with network, we create a backup in the cloud with a restore point, so you are able to restore it whenever you need it. The restore of a backup cannot be done from the Finale program. It can only be done from the Finale 3D homepage. So please open the Finale 3D page with your favorite browser and then log in with your Finale credentials. Go back to the My account and then to the MyEffect settings. You see all restore points that we created. Let's scroll to the latest ones at the bottom of the page. If you found the right restore point, click the blue restore button and the database will be restored to this version of the database. And if you open Finale again, you will have the set of data that you have restored.